I wanted to pop in and give you a quick update on this YouTube channel. First, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed, people who are watching the videos, or anybody who has left a nice positive comment or a thumbs up. I so appreciate all of your feedback and all of your views and all of the nice notes that I've even gotten personally from a lot of you. They mean so much to me, and you don't even know, like, I do this channel because I just love talking to all of you and trying to share and hopefully improve your businesses and give you new ideas for things that you can do to make money. And I really honestly don't have a huge team because I enjoy doing all the research on my own for picking the different topics every week, as well as recording the videos and editing them myself. Now, if you haven't noticed, I've kind of fallen behind on a lot of the premium content that I would like to deliver to you, such as the workbook workshop, the notebooks, the calligraphy. We talked a lot about digital planners. So with the 3 days a week of the YouTube publishing schedule, which I'm really proud of myself that I have been able to commit to that schedule, because when I originally started this channel back in 2017, I said I was going to post every Monday. And as you know, sometimes that happened, sometimes that didn't happen, and more often than not, it didn't. And so for the last 6 months, I have been like clockwork every Monday, Thursday, Saturday. But because I have been doing that, that has taken away from a lot of time that I could use to work on other projects that I am very passionate about. And one of those is delivering premium content to you. But as you know, I am multi-passionate, and I am also a romance author, and I have not been able to put out another book this year. And that also is something that I love doing, that I feel passionate about, and something that's really important to me. So I'm taking the rest of 2018 off, and I would like to work on those other projects, as well as what I think is most important. And I think this is probably obvious to all of you. I say in my intro, I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. But the truth is, I pretty much only talk about planners, and that's clearly what is most important to me. And I mentioned this a little bit in another video when I retired a lot of different projects, and I've actually turned down a lot of different clients because I'm working on a lot of things that just aren't really things that I'm passionate about, or things that I'd like Pretty Fabulous to be about, which is mostly planners and stationery. So, I think a rebrand is going to be something else that I'm working on for the next 3 months, in addition to making sure that I deliver on all of those promises that I made to you on the premium content that I think will be so valuable to you and really help your business. So that is what I will be doing for the rest of 2018, as well as really focusing on this last class of students that enrolled in Planner Academy. I think, this is a really critical time for all of the students to get their designs done, to get things to production. And that is really the whole point of Planner Academy, is to make sure that people are able, if they want to, not everyone has a dated planner, but if they want to have a 2019 planner, to be able to get that produced in time so that people who are looking for 2019 planners can purchase their planners. So that is going to be a huge focus of mine, as well as you know, I'm going to be finishing some romance novels that I would like to get out this year versus having to push them off to next year. So I really hope that you guys understand that I am scaling back the YouTube publishing schedule, but I promise I am not going away forever. I will be back in 2019. I will be refreshed. I will have a very clear focus on planners and stationery and what that means for you, as well as new different templates and packages and programs that I can offer you to help your business if those are things that you are interested in. So I hope, this sounds weird. I was going to say I'll see you guys next week, but I will also not be on social media either. But that doesn't mean that I am not here to help answer questions. Definitely if you have something, leave me comments on YouTube. I will be checking. And, if I don't get back to you quick enough, just go ahead and just drop me a personal note through my contact information, which I will leave below. All right, I hope everyone is having a wonderful and fabulously creative day, and I will talk to you guys hopefully sooner than later, but if not, definitely in 2019. All right, bye.